back to editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name of the link in Canva. It's quite simple. So all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say I have one link. We have this link of the channel over here. Editing 24/7. And I have already put one link. Let's tap in this three dot bar and go to link, and there you can see our channel link. I'm just putting our channel link, but like in your case it's gonna be your own personal link or something like that. So this is the link, right? At the name of the link, it's right now it's editing 24/7. So let's hit done. So once you tap in here, it will show up here like this, right? So if you want to edit the link, you can simply tap in this option that is here with the pencil icon, that is edit link. Simply tap in there, and here you can simply put down another link, delete this and put down another link and hit done. So that is how you edit your link name. It's simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.